Hello traders! In this video I would like to show you simplicity of the system and why system loved and traded globally in more than 50 countries on all instruments. This is S&P in front of you. This is pure price and Alpha Fibonacci only. This is pure entry, pure stop, pure targets. What does the intelligent trader knows with a single glimpse? We're at the bold red line, we're at brand new historical high. This is not the place to buy. This is where intelligent trader exiting long, adjusting the trail and monitoring for reversal. If price remains stuck in this zone, it's junk, it's chop. We need to crush, we need the power. Buying over extended rally at historical high is never ever ever an option. You are not a gambler. You are not a trigger happy cowboy. You are not trading junk. Can you understand the power of support? Can you understand the power of the bold red line? This is simplicity of the system in front of you. This is how pure system is. Brand new historical high, again and again being formed. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to understand. No matter what chart you trade, you are at bold red line. What is the problem? This is your trading range. This is a statement for the last few days. We're in exact same place, no matter what chart you trade. So if I convert this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, this is a market. Identical place as yesterday morning. Do you know your trading range before market open? Do you have the software in front of you? If you do, you understand that if price stuck here in ultimate weakness, nothing here to do. You don't drive your Ferrari into brick wall. You don't gamble. The only excuse for you to be in the markets if you've taken profits off the table and adjusting your trail very, very close. It's a historical high. It's simple. Not the place to buy. If you buy historical high, your success rate less than 10%. So what does the intelligent trader knows this morning very, very clearly? With a single glimpse? Look at that. It's a historical event. It's the biggest vertical rally in 100 years in stock market. What is the problem? No one in their clear mind touching any shorts. At the bold red line, you exiting your long. There is no surprise, all precise. No indicators here. Correct? Every short against institutions. It's a very junky little trade. Intelligent trader understands there is no other option here. None are present. This moment, this bold pink line holding the key. If price stuck at this level, market will be brutal, will be vicious. Chances of price being stuck at this level extremely high. So if institutions are buying the markets, why in the world would you touch any short? Tell me. Intelligent trader out of long on sidelines. Intelligent trader understands this moment will determine the key for many, many hours to come. We are at the bold red line, but shorts are junk, shorts against institutional traders. Do you understand that part? If you do, you allow market to settle down. You do not touch any shorts. It's black and white. And if price stuck in this zone, nothing good happens here. You are on sidelines. You are intelligent, brilliant trader. You preparing for your trade very well. The biggest vertical bullish rally in 100 years, becoming bigger and bigger each and every day. So if you will decide to touch short against institutional traders, the best case scenario, a whole lot of pain. Agree? This is a pain. This is a torture. Why? Because billions of dollars are long. Intelligent trader allows powerful pullback. Intelligent trader understands to the downside, bold pink line holding the key. This is a moment that will determine markets for many hours to come. There is no other option at the bold red line. It does not exist. This is simplicity and purity of the system you can use on any instrument. Bold pink line identifies the weakness. Bold pink line identifies counter trend move. So if you are trigger happy cowboy and you decided to pull a trigger on short, you're trading against JP Morgan, you're trading against BlackRock, you're trading against billions of dollars. It's a crawl, it's a pain, it's a chop. Shock or not, even at historical high, market not crashing, market not selling off, market crawling. It's the only option. There is no other option this morning. There is no institutional long. This level holding the key right now. That's it. Dow reversing, S&P testing key level. It's in front of you. It's simplicity. It's pure price. You will never need anything else. You are never buying bold red line. If you do, it means you love driving your Ferrari into brick wall. Oops, not a good idea. Every short against institutions. How many shorts have you done since last year? Do you understand the difference between trading here versus trading here? So who is the trader who took this short? The trader who doubled and tripled his account. The trader who trading this with drastically smaller lot size. The trader who understands the system completely and understands the difference trading with institutions versus against them. There is no other option. At the bold red line, you only option to short. Problem? It's a counter trend against institutions move. Bold pink line remains a problem. Price is stuck. It's weakness. It's chop. So if we are stuck at this zone, this is your lesson. Understand spectacular place to enter your position versus not. This is chop. We remain stuck here. It's a very junky short. There is nothing else that's possible now. Only this. Here's Apple. Here's the importance of bold pink line. Here's the weakness of the shorts. Here's the weakness of the shorts. It's identical level. Very few can survive and trade current day trading markets that are testing you to the core 90+% of the time, especially on S&P. If you cannot trade S&P because you are tested to the core every single day, move to oil, move to gold, move to Apple. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments. This is where Apple skyrocketed from bold pink line. As students keep reporting drastically higher volume and so many more trades in European session. It's exact same bold pink line on Tesla. This plays out in front of you right now. We've been here for the last 6 minutes. Response at this level will determine markets for many hours to come. Every single move, psychological test. It's a crawl, it's a pain. You understand that it's the only option. You understand how critical this moment is. You are enjoying even current markets. You are not in pain. God forbid you're wasting your time chasing indicators, chasing junky systems. Why in the world would you do that to yourself? Goldman traders don't do that. JP Morgan traders whom I mentor don't do that. Why do you? Focus on pure price. And when you do, you can trade anything you choose. Key moment now. No speculation here. This is the only option in the current market. We need the crash, we need sell-off to this level. This is where intelligent trader will be glued to the screen. Counter trend against institutions short is the only option this morning. Nothing else is possible. Only this. It's a crawl. It's not collapse. It's not a crash. Market is a stepping stone. Pay attention, please. This is a beautiful thing. If pullback, picking up this steam. Lower is better. This was exact same thing on Bitcoin last year. Yesterday I worked with Bitcoin trader in Dubai who is trading system only on Bitcoin and other long-term positions. Here is the reason why. Let's go back on Bitcoin to December 2020, a year ago. Remember, no one can control Bitcoin, no one. So when the global convention announced in Miami, you know many months in advance, this is not the place to buy Bitcoin. This is where Bitcoin selling off. Of course. Bunch of Bitcoin traders getting together and decide to take profits off the table. No one can stop them from doing so. No one. No one regulates Bitcoin. No one. This support holding the key. At the time of global convention in Miami, Bitcoin selling off 65%. Until ultimate bottom. Agree? Where Bitcoin skyrocketing from. This is a dance price does on any instrument, on Apple, on Tesla, on Bitcoin, on ETFs, on stocks, on options, on any instrument you choose to trade. You decide what you want to trade, what's appropriate to you and your psychological comfort. Do you enjoy looking at the screen once a week? Or do you love being tested every second in the market? Do you remember reversal zone on Bitcoin? It's in front of you next on S&P. It's a stepping stone, it's a crawl. There is no other option this morning. Only this. Exactly the same as yesterday morning. Identical. Bold red line. Identical place. So here are students this morning. Pablo, 3.75 points on this short. When Pablo came to me, he did not know what Ninja Trader was. complete beginner trader understands extremely well counter trend versus trend trade. On counter trend trade, Pablo trades drastically smaller lot size. There is no other option. This is the only option this morning, as of right now. That's it. Here we go. Key moment on S&P traders. Bold green line is crucial, critical now. Again, target RZ states reversal zone. Intelligent trader not pulling a trigger randomly. Intelligent trader waiting for the rules to be met, knowing quite well this is a problem in front of you. This bold red line very, very close. So here we go, traders. To recap, this is a system in the last hour and a half. This is a purity, this is simplicity. Can you push a gas pedal at the bold green line? Can you hit the brakes at the bold red line? This is a reason system traded globally on all instruments. Only you can identify what instrument appropriate for you, your psychological comfort, your risk management. Choice is yours. When we do work in private mentoring, I help you identify, I test you, I quiz you. So if price starts reversing again, it's a beautiful thing. This will be a major problem. Intelligent trader knows this well before it plays out. There is no buyers here now. Do not pull a trigger randomly. Rules are met, take a trade. So if you would like to see the system in the live markets, join us in the trading room. Simply enter your name, and when trading room is open for visitors, you will receive an invitation. Review all the information on the website, please, and listen to the podcasts, including with Pablo. If complete beginner Pablo can trade, so can you with Alpha Fibonacci System and software. System traded globally on all platforms with or without software. Software is not a requirement. System traded globally since 2011 on all platforms. Software came out for Ninja 8 in 2011. So listen to traders who trade S&P, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, how Richard quadrupled his retirement account, how David trading it oil, gold, everything at different times. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. This is by far the best time of the year to sign up. I cannot wait for annual trading bootcamp. Every year when I teach trading bootcamp, I pick a different subject. Every single bootcamp included with every package. Group course, private mentoring includes bootcamp, video library modules, live classes. So when you click on the details about bootcamp, it's very important to recognize you do not have to attend. We have students in Saudi Arabia, in Australia, in New Zealand, students who view videos only. In the bootcamp in live markets, you will be mastering how to trade like a hedge fund trader. You will be in the group with hedge fund managers, hedge fund traders, portfolio managers who are trading different instruments. Every single thing I teach apply to any instrument, any time frame. And when markets are quiet, and you master how to trade as institutional trader, we will focus on optimizing your brain, your mindset, because it all starts with this. When hedge fund traders getting paid at the top hedge funds to meditate, to detox their brains, I will be sharing with you my favorite techniques to detox, to optimize your mind and your brain. Again, exact same thing I teach to JP Morgan traders. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. If you are a graduate of the course, contact me for discounted invoice. Any questions for me? Another way to contact me is to fill in this form 925-257-4298. But again and again and again, view the emails I receive from traders from all over the world and understand thousands and thousands and thousands of emails later, I cannot upload them all. But those are traders who making serious effort. If they can do it, so can you. The skies are the limit if you do.